What's up, online shoppers? Do you own a Lodge cast iron griddle or skillet? If you've never cleaned cast iron before, there is a trick to it. So let's get into it. Now, you've got to understand a little bit about how cast iron works. The surface of a cast iron isn't smooth and polished like a stainless steel pan would be. It has all kinds of bumps and grooves in it. And those bumps and grooves, when you get a buildup of oil in there that has been heated to a high temperature, creates a coating on your grill that makes this as non-stick as any Teflon pan you will ever find. And we all know the benefits of cooking on cast iron. Many people who have iron poor diets can absorb some of the iron from the cast iron into their food, and that is a dietary source. If you think that using soap on your griddle is a good idea, stop now! You don't use soap on a cast iron griddle or skillet. You do want to use hot water and a stiff bristled brush. When you have something stuck on the surface of your griddle, running it under hot water and using a stiff bristled brush to scrub away at the built-up residue is going to be how you get that griddle clean. If you have a spot that you just can't get off, a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of elbow grease is going to help you get that built-up residue off. While the pan is still wet, sprinkle on your baking soda, get your stiff bristled nylon brush, really scrub at it, and then rinse it off again, and you will find that that built-up residue has gone. Once you're done washing it off, all you have to do is condition it, because you have to take good care of this pan. When you have cast iron cookware, you don't just pay attention and love to the cooking surface. It goes all the way around. So once you finish washing your cast iron, you're going to put a thin layer of cooking oil all over your griddle, all over the handle, and even all over the bottom, and let it rest for a day. When you go to cook with it the next day, you can always wipe it off with a cloth or just allow it to smoke off as it heats up and prepares for you to cook. Cast iron cookware works for baking, searing, sauteing, grilling, and this will even go stovetop to oven without a hitch. If you are looking for a really great griddle, this one here is the Lodge L90 3G, 10.5 inches across, and it is a dream to cook on. Definitely a family favorite at my house.